In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way of determining if your computer has either a hard disk drive or a solid state drive. So this is a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you want to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time, and into the Start menu search, you want to type in defrag. So one of the best matches should come back with defragment and optimized drives. Left click on that one time. So it should say median type if it's either a solid state or hard disk drive right here. Windows will not actually let you perform a disk defragment on a solid state drive. However, there are ways to improve the performance of it to some extent, but in terms of just a simple defrag, you're not supposed to or will not let you do it, especially in the built-in optimize window here. But just want to give you guys an idea. It will show you right through the screen if you have a hard disk drive or a solid state drive. Keep in mind if you have any external drives plugged in, like a flash drive, it might say hard disk drive as well as a solid state drive could be listed underneath a different drive. Just need to keep in mind which drive Windows is installed on, and it should be a little Windows icon above the hard disk. I'm not sure if you guys can see it in this video, but I can see it from my end here, right where I'm hovering my mouse. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.